In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Many of us have beautiful ideas in our mind and heart. We do have good plans, and we think that these are within my resources. These things are feasible, practicable, but still, either we don't launch it, we don't start it, or we do launch and start, but sooner we do abandon it as well. Why? Because the people have started criticizing, because the people have started ridiculing, the people do not agree with me, people don't agree that what I am going to do is going to be the right thing. People are ignorant, people are irresponsible, people are jealous, and people don't want you to benefit from your beautiful idea. Rather, they will try to hijack it, they will try to steal it from you, and they will try to act upon it, and rather they will try to discuss it with certain other people. Why? Because now they think that it is their idea. Never. People who have succeeded in their life, people who have delivered something, people who have achieved something, and the people who have made their life, these are the people who have actually who have dared to bear the criticism, the ridicule of the people. They did not budge away, they did not abandon their beautiful ideas simply because the people are criticizing, simply because the people are ridiculing, simply because the people do not agree with it, because they do know that it is actually our ability, it is our strength, it is our bravery to walk against the wind. It is our bravery, it is our courage, it is our strength to walk against the wind which can make us a success. Otherwise, if at all we are busy in pleasing the people, in pleasing the people, I think that we might become a mediocre, but we will never ever be able to do something which is very shining, which is outstanding, which is something uncommon. Depends how big our target is. If at all you do want to become an average person, an average human being, if at all you do want to become an average human being, no problem, do not worry. Then you can afford to budge away, you can afford to avoid the ridicule and the criticism of the people. But if you want to do something which very few of the people have done, or which very few of the people can do, then you must have the ability to bear, to tolerate, even to ignore the criticism, the ridicule of the people. You have to develop in yourself the ability to go, ability to walk against the wind. This is the hallmark of the winners. This is the hallmark of the achievers. This is the hallmark of the successful people, and definitely not that of the average people, definitely not that of the mediocres. Break the mediocrity, break the mediocrity. If at all your idea works, if at all your idea works, you will reap the benefits of it. You have bared the ridicule and the criticism of the people. Now your idea have started working. Now you can benefit, and you can benefit a lot. But if at all your idea did not work, still there is a lot which can be achieved, and that is actually the byproduct of your effort, the byproduct of your struggle, the byproduct of your bravery. What is this one? What is the byproduct? It is actually the enhanced confidence, and it is the enhanced courage, it is the enhanced bravery, it is the enhanced strength, it is enhanced ability to bear the criticism and the ridicule of the people, and it is the enhanced capability to work and to go against the wind, and this is the enhanced ability to become a prominent human being, to become a noticeable human being. If at all you don't want to become average, if at all you don't want to become a mediocre, and you want to become someone who is known by the people, at least I think you should have at least one ability to be, and that one ability is that you should be able to bear the criticism and the ridicule of the people, and then you will be getting new ideas out of an idea which could not work according to your expectations. You will get certain new ideas, at least, or you will be able to reform the idea which you tried to implement and practice, and you will be able to get a new idea which is even better, and you might get even more than one idea which are even better as compared to the one you have tried, as compared to the one you tried to put into practice. So that is why I strongly recommend that be ready and be ready to bear the criticism of the people. But for that you must be convinced that what you are trying to do is something positive, it is something constructive, and it is not something which is unethical or which is immoral. It must be morally okay, ethically okay, and it must be good either for you or for the society, and it must be having it must be according to the win-win principle. Mean it should be beneficial for the people, and it should not be harmful and hurtful for certain people or for many people. To become a different human being, to be able to lead, and to be able to become a prominent human being, I think at least you should have the one capability, and this one capability is what we have discussed and we have talked about. Let's try to create this ability in ourselves. Thank you.